we're here in New Park City, near the Savour Hotel. Here you go. That is our hotel. Ayun, ang oras ngayon ay alas 10 ng gabi. Roadside BBQ. Barbecue. It would be nice to eat there. Yan, sa kabila naman may SNR. New York style. Kainan lang siya guys, hindi siya SNR na bilihan. Restaurant lang siya. Tapos dadaan, dapat napuntahan namin, kaso sarado na siya. Newport, West Spring. Oh, that's the 101. Also, we got 101. What is that? They make big close there because it's already night time. Oh, they got Popeyes. Oh, but I'm allergic to chicken. They got some salamat. They got a lot of food and restaurant to eat here. But like Korean, Chinese. There you go, other side. And
Popeyes.
They got Popeye. Toot toot.
Ayun siguro.
Maybe. Oh, wait, they gonna park somewhere.
Ito hindi tayo dito.
So no, there's another hotel. That's not our hotel. New 101 Boulevard. I want the Popeye, but I'm allergic to chicken.
No more chicken for you.
So sad, no chicken. No, so sad.
I'm close.
Dream Care. Hey, they got Starbucks. Anywhere, everywhere, there's a Starbucks. Wherever you go, whatever you do. Whenever countries. And that's our entrance. And we're here.
Pala doon na tayo dumaan.
Ay, they got Tokyo. But it's already food truck. Banky hotspot. We're walking down the street. They got 81 Mall. They got gym. All I can see is a gym.
Ito pala, what's in?
Where? Oh yeah. And we're going to the...
Wala na. Yan na lang. Panalitan na. Kainan lang.
Oh my G. And that's store. And that's it. Puro na hotel. Puro na...
Pinecrest.
What is it?
Pinecrest Hotel.
Pinecrest Hotel.
That's it.
That's it for a moment, guys. Ito lang ang Newport Hotel natin. Newport Bay. That's my mom. My dad is booking toward us. They're already closed. It's already 10 p.m. 11. Oh no, it's 11. Walking down the street. What is that? Asi Fresh Plaza, healthy and fresh food.
And street foods.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Starbucks na papastan. Yeah, if you free us, then it's good.
The SNR.
Plus 66. Oh my god. They got street food over there.
Nakatagal na ito.
Ah, Mother kaya KFC coming soon.
Sabi ni Kuya, meron na daw.
Oh, not yet.
81 more.
8-1 mall.
81?
Oh, that's my papa taking off her jacket. Sila nakita ko sila lahat. Naka-Korean pa pa isa. Nakikita ba ito? Oh yeah, they're still open. Physical healing massage.
Reflection foot massage. Head, shoulder, and arm reflex. What about the full body massage?
You ask
Ano
it.
yung signature? Hindi ko mabasahan mo.
Nara foot reflexology foot massage. Head, shoulder, and foot reflect. Bakit yun?
Head, shoulder, and foot.
Ayan.
Ito, combination of satchu, thigh, calm, and hot stone rolling.
Ayan na, maganda yan. Diba, wala lang hot stone si Papa. Hindi maganda sa kanya hot stone. Oo. It says, no.
Ano yung signature?
What? Are they going? To the massage. Oh, they got laundry. Everywhere you go, may mga palabahin ko. Ayan, may laundry. Hey, go. Why are you walking away from here?
Bumubulwak na tubig, oh. Kaya yun.
And it smells like fish port. No, meron sa. Namoy mo? Medyo malan siya. Oh, I got the kitten. Hey, meow meow. Oh, you got ano. Hi, Charlie.
Wala.
Charlie. Bye bye. Ming Ming.
Seafood sweet na mix, ah.
Ah, there's the orange bucket. We got like this in Lauderdale. Oh no. Lauderdale ba yun? Yung galing din nadaan na natin to orange bucket din.
Oh, yeah.
Lauderdale ata yun. Saan ba tayo nag-Walter Mart? Ay, nag-Walmart.
Ano din?
Up yun, tayo din orange bucket. Isip mo.
Ika. Ika.
Ah, di ka, yeah, market here. Something. Korean. almost gone. They're almost gone. Paubos na eh. Paubos na eh. Asan? Oh yeah, there's more there. Yep, yep. Oh, di ka the artificial.
Nandito ka sa Newport City, parang wala ka sa Pilipinas, ano?
No.
Marami na dito, ano? Hotel.
Saan residential?
Condo.
Condotel, di ba? Di ka alam sa fear. Ayun na namin dito, nagmumura. Ayun namin nagmumura.
Yes, ma'am. Japanese food, ma'am.
Oh, this is nice.
Ano?
We got fried noodles. Yeah, that's what they have. Here we go. Fried noodles and shawmai. That's really nice. I'm kinda hungry. Mango shake. Oh my God. Oh, wala na silang empanada. Ubus na. Ha? Parang masarap yung ano, noodles. Guys.
Man, pagkakain ka, ikaw na lang, ha? Ako na lang sasabihin. Busog ka.
Triple, authentic, takoyaki.
Wala ko doon. Ako na si Jonas.
Teha.
I-refer doon tayo sa pamilya tayo sa Tomas sa kapatid nila. Wala ko tayo. Ko yan. Bye-bye. Boy, snack na lang.
Hindi mo bilang inisyo yan.
Ooh. Chicharong bulaklak. Chicken skin. Rose, look. Chicharong bulaklak. Chicken skin. Oh my God. And this is, oh my G. That's nice. Later we'll come back.
Mga tatong kamay na. Ano?
Diba? And we're coming back because everything is going back to the hotel.
Patidin mo?
No. Maybe we got a key. No. And we're going back to the hotel. We're coming back and